Hello?
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's a little bit of a late upload. I've been trying to do this video plus make a TikTok video, and y'all, TikTok is not it for me. I literally been trying to do TikTok for the past week and I have not gotten it down packed. So with nail videos, the edit for nail videos is completely different than the ones that we do for the farm. So it's like literally the hardest. But by the title, you already know what today's video is all about. You know I love the Dollar Tree. You know I love saving my coins. I did go a little bit crazy at the Dollar Tree this time. So I'm not going to be adding up that bill just because I bought stuff that wasn't even part of this type of thing. This cornstarch I already had on hand, but they have cornstarch there. They also have baking soda. You can also use flour. But cornstarch definitely hands down is my favorite one to go for. I got the nail glue from there also. I had these baggies on hand also that are just from the dollar store. So everything in this video is $1. The cornstarch, sometimes you can find it for 50 cents. If you wanted to go a little bit lower, you can find it for 50 cents at Dollar General or Family Dollar. So just wanted to put that out there. And I'm sorry I'm talking really fast. It's just that this video is very short. It's not a super long video because I decided not to add the whole time of me dipping my nails into cornstarch, because I know in my last video you guys were saying it gets kind of boring and repetitive. So I just wanted to cut that time. So I only dipped 2 times on camera, but you guys, off camera I dipped like 7 or 8 times just because I like my nails thick and that's just what I was going for. So this nail file is from the Dollar Tree. The nail tips are also from the Dollar Tree. They're the Sassy and Chic brand. This nail file you can get you can also get the Sassy and Chic brand. I like that brand also. They have that at the Dollar Tree. And I found new polishes at the Dollar Tree, which is the top coat and this new matte top coat. I liked it. Don't get me wrong. I liked the top coat. It worked really good for matte. The only thing that I did not like is that it was matte. I like my nails shiny, and it just wasn't going with the vibe that I was going for, like the clouds and the V nail, and I just wanted to throw in some different things. All the nail polishes are also from the Dollar Tree. The dotting tool is from the Dollar Tree. The striping brush is also from there too. So everything mentioned in this video is from there. Just wanted to say that, just because I know people are gonna be like, and the cornstarch, like I said, I had it on file. I had it on hand, and they do have cornstarch there. Sometimes it's like $1, sometimes it's 50 cents. If you go to Dollar General, I know you could get it for 50 cents. If you go to Walmart has it for like $2 for $1. So also the baking soda, they have it for like $2 for $1. So just wanted to throw that out there. So yeah, you guys, you already know that I filed my nail tips off of my hand, and just so that way I can prep. You would have to prep your nails. Trust me, you have to prep your nails. This will not work if your nails are not prepped. They're not going to stick really good and for a really long time. These normally last around 2 to 3 weeks, depending on how you are with your nails and how rough you are with your nails. So just wanted to throw that out there also. And what else? I do have a peel off base coat because of course I make so many videos for you guys that I do take them off. Have I tried this method before? Yes. If you are new here, I have tried this. I have kept them on for that long period of time, which is why I know how long they last. It's just when I do videos that I'm not testing or experimenting on, then I will not test them out and I will just put a peel off base coat. So just wanted to throw that out there. So yeah, you guys, that is pretty much it. And I'm just going to be doing like a dip system. So I did my thumb off camera because of course I was making TikTok videos while trying. That was a fail, but I uploaded it anyway. So, but I'm just adding glue. I normally start from the free edge to the cuticle, but this time I just decided to do from the cuticle to the free edge. I like my way better. I was recommended this way and I don't like it. I like the free edge to the cuticle just so I can build up that arch. So definitely, if you are new here, check out my older videos so that way you can see what I mean by the free edge to the cuticle. But yeah, you guys, everything else is very self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna leave it here. I just want to come on here and talk a little bit, say hi to you guys. I'm in a rush, so I'm just trying to figure everything out. But I love you guys. I will see you in my next video. I wanted to get this video out for you because it's literally just been sitting in my camera and I was just late upload today. It's been a long day. And yeah, you guys, I'm just boom, 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 trying to get stuff done. If you guys know, I have a whole farm, so I'm busy over here. Very busy over here. But I just want to get this video out for you guys. And I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, and also check out all the giveaways that I have going on in the description box down below so you can enter to win some free stuff. So I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one.